Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of reading works of art from 9th standard. In this English workshop, we are going to learn English workshop and language study. English workshop. Question number 1. Spot the error in the spelling of the following words with reference to the passage and rewrite them correctly. Renowned, geometric, painting, circles, achieving, features, figures, inner, village, decided, tribal, mythology, earthen, medium, different. Second question, complete the following diagram. Characteristic features of Raza's paintings. Simple geometric shape, striking color combination, captivating compositions, colors blue and orange. Third question, complete the following with reference to the passage. A. Raza's paintings do not depict life like human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. B. Raza's paintings are done in the abstract style. C. Raza's paintings are not inspired by any external factor. D. Raza's painting present images from his own inner mind. E. Raza's paintings radiate peace and life at the same time. F. The bindu or point became the core of Raza's paintings. G. For an artist like Raza, his work or paintings are an effective medium of communication. Fourth question, read the passage and go on the art carefully, then complete the following sentences without going back to the passage. First, Gond art is a tribal art. Second, the Gondi language is similar to Telugu, a Dravidian language. Third, originally people used to draw pictures on the earthen wall of their houses. Fourth, in folk arts, you yourself prepare the canvas, the surface on which to draw, and the colors with which you draw. Fifth question, write about the following important features of Gond art with the help of the passage. First, variation in drawing. The different colors, various textures and patterns were used year after year, leading to simplicity to the art. Second, texture designs. Simple textures achieved using dots, straight lines, dotted lines, curvy shapes and circles. Third, developed and preserved by the Gond tribal people residing largely in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana and Odisha states of India. Fifth, preparing a canvas medium. The surface on which to draw and the colors with which you draw. The richness is reflected in the choice of the medium. Sixth, preparing color. In the days of past, several things in the nature such as soils of different shades, the juice of plants, leaves, tree bark, flowers, fruits and coal, and cow dung were used to prepare colors. Seventh, outlines. In the Gond style of art, the outlines may vary a little from artist to artist, but the designs look lively and attractive. Sixth question, why does the author think that the roots of folk art lies in women's chores? Answer, the author thinks the root of folk art lies in women's chores because in the past it was the duty of women to look after her family. She used to do daily chores like cleaning and decorating the house, dealing with natural colors in the course of cooking and in the leisure time activities. Seventh question from the passage, list the words related to A. Geometry, lines, dots, rectangle, dotted lines, circle, square, triangle, curvy shapes. B. Colors: orange, blue, paint, shades, coal, different colors. C. Designs: pictures, abstract, bindu, sensitive painting, simple texture, natural techniques. At question, these two passages are example of a short introduction to work of art, a short review. They cover the following points. Choose a book of film and review in a short using the points you have listed. Language study. Read the following examples and then complete the sentence using your own ideas. A. Place: you may sit wherever you like. You may sit in the class. B. Time: I entered the school when the bell was ringing. I entered the school before 11. C. Manner: I love my country like a true Indian should. I love my country more than you.